Ghusal. Performing ghusl is mustahab in some cases and obligatory in 7 cases. The obligatory ghusls are as follows. 1. Janabat. 2. Menstruation. 3. Nifas, the blood after childbirth. 4. Istihada. 5. Touching a dead body. 6. Ghusl for the dead. 7. A ghusl that becomes obligatory because of taking an oath. For example, if one makes an oath that if one of their problems is solved, they will perform ghusl. Other than these 7 obligatory ghusls, there are many recommended ghusls like the Friday ghusl or the Ziyarat ghusl. A person who performs ghusl-e-janabat does not need to perform wudu unless he does one thing that invalidates wudu while performing ghusl or after it. Obligatory and recommended ghusls can be performed in 2 ways, tartibi or irtimad.